got 57.
Pakka.
Yes.
In maths. What is it now? 57 out of 80.
Yes.
Sure. If I ask for a father, father will tell the same mark or father will tell 27. No, 37.
No, 57.
Pakka.
Yes.
How much you got in science?
Me.
Me?
I got 66. No, 66 or 5.
66 or 65. My maths mark is improved or what? Last time how much you got in maths?
50%.
50 plus.
50%.
Last time 50%, now 57. So improved, na?
Slightly.
Array 57 is 70% now.
Sorry.
How much you got? What? In maths? 77. Don't be sorry.
I'm not going to cry.
Voice is not. You?
0.5 less.
76.5. Okay, for the fix it now. Anand, how are you? Graph is down. So today what you have to do? Statistics, what is? We last chapter we circle was doing now. It's over everything now. Now we have to do statistics, the final chapter of your book. In this one we क्या हो गया? Textbook also not brought, MBBS textbook also not brought. What happened, Anand? You were thinking something and sitting. Why you left forgot all? You thought it is in the bag, but now it is missing. So who packed your bag? You only packed the bag. Two girls are unwell. One is unwell, the other one is also unwell. It's all. No. That is a. Recently, I seen a lot of push twins somewhere. Twins meet was there going on. You heard about twins meet? No. I have seen recently there were twins, triplets, all these things were there somewhere. Okay. Yes. What is it? Is Anand is talking? Mr. Anand, what are you talking? He said he must be in the others with others. Others it. So you checked others it. No other people. Check in a city, maybe. Okay. Statistics. Mainly you have graph is there. The graphical representation, bar graph, histogram, and frequency polygon. What all things are there? Bar graph. Do you know what you mean by bar graph? Do you know what is bar graph? You make bar. Bar, you know. Graph only. What is it? What is it? Rectangles. Rectangle of equal width do. And space also kept equal width space. Okay. Spaces are there between each rectangle. Height will be proportional to the values given. That is a bar graph. Then next is, you know what is histogram? Histogram for the class intervals. All the rectangle adjacent joined together, it is called the histogram. Next will come frequency polygon. Have you heard about word polygon? Do you know what is the difference between polygon and the curve? The polygon is closed. Polygon is joined with line segment. Every point is joined with the scale and joining line segments. Sides are line segment. Curve means if the top points are free. Okay, no vertices, no corners, free curve is drawn. Okay, we are going to do polygon. Okay, so okay. In the statistics, you have first is data. Have you heard the word data? Data. What is data? Written over there. What are data? Information. Facts, or figures collected with a definite purpose is called data. What about? Have you seen where it's written? Page number 148.
Seven.
That is a flow chart is given up. Take the next page. Have you seen data? Facts or figures? Okay, which with a definite purpose are called data. Okay, then statistics. What is statistics? The branch of maths with deals with the collection, presentation, and analysis of the data. Okay, as well as drawing meaningful conclusions of the data. Statistical data are of two types. What are the two types of data is given? Primary data and secondary data. What is the meaning of primary data? Read and identify. Did you follow? When an investigator collects the data himself with a definite class or design in his mind or her mind is called a primary data. Are you followed? A person who collects directly from every individual, that data is called primary data. Are you followed? For example, just I asked the mark, no, I asked of you, I asked everyone. This one directly I am collecting the mark. That is called which data? Primary data. Then what is secondary data, check? Data which are not originally collected, rather obtained from published or unpublished sources are called secondary data. From some sources, your marks are there, your marks obtained in the UT. It will be there in the system. I take it from the system. That is not from directly, it is a published or unpublished from some other sources taken. That is called the secondary data. Are you followed? From certain data, if you are collecting that data is called secondary data. Which one is directly taking, it is called the primary data. Okay. Understood or not? Clear? Okay. Then second hand. What did you tell? What are you reading? Read loudly. Read now. Huh? Read something, my dear friend. Huh?
What should I?
Solved exercise to read. Divide.
Divide the students of your class into 4 groups. Allot each group the work of collecting one of the following kinds of data. Heights of 20 students of your class.
That is which type of data? If you are going to find the height, means what is it? That is your primary data.
And number of absentees each day in your class per.
So that will be number of absentees each day from a month, means it may be collected from teacher or somewhere else. Okay, some attendance in charge or something. That is called which type of data? Secondary data. Are you followed what is primary data and what is secondary data? Your friend has come. What's her name? Tanvi. She will be 10 times, she will come here again. Want to meet you. So primary data, secondary data. Okay. Now, okay, class unsolved exercise. Give 5 examples of data that you can collect from day-to-day life. Okay. 1 example, 2 example, 3 example, 4 example. I tell now, day-to-day life, what data you can collect? How will you collect the data? You will stand outside the AC, you will see another. Where it shows?
Is it a second?
Where it shows? Primary, you collect directly.
How many times I am getting?
Tell na.
Uh,
How many times?
Oh yes, how many marks I got today on my test?
What you tell? You
How many marks my friends got on test today? I got to question.
Select collection of marks. Isn't it? Obtaining data marks from each student. That is called one primary data. Then what are you drinking tea? What is?
How many times?
So how many times you drank tea today? One only. Number of times Drinking tea by a person a day, you can ask one by one primary data. Okay, another one. You tell.
What food is made today?
What food is made today?
Like
It can be different.
What food is made today?
yeah,
What?
or
Huh?
think of something.
Pudding is.
Let me think of something.
Huh?
Let me think of something else.
Actually, tell something else. Okay. Okay.
Number of pens a person carries.
Number of pen a person carry. How many pen you carry? Don't know. How many pen you carry? No, nice pouch, new pouch. He's searching number of pen. Nobody knows. Number of how many pens you carry? Don't know. Then what is the data? How many pens you carry? 5 pens. You also 5 pens. 7 pens. He's still counting. Okay. Number of pens a person carry. Okay, another person. Total number of students.
Wait, I found it wrong.
Are found wrong.
Uh,
Huh?
wait.
Tell something now. After sure the answer has not come. Huh? You did not give any answer.
Thinking.
What thinking? Or tell about the color.
Primary.
Huh?
Think of primary.
Primary data. You go to your house building, go to every flat and ask how many children in your family. How many? What is the laughing? In your house, it is how many children in your family means what is it? You are not considered as a children out. Then so how many children? 1, 2. You got you and your brother, your sister. Also 2 children. His house. 2. Like that, number of children in the family.
How many books a person has?
How many books a person has? Where?
So that I
In the bag. How many books are carrying by a person? Book, pen, pencil. Okay. How many chapati we eat today? Okay. Chalo, follow or not? Huh? This way different. How which newspaper you read in a day? You don't know what book. Any newses are read? You know any news? No news. Sometimes you today's any news, What is the news today? Today what is the news? No news.
I get to that around before 9 o'clock when all the daily news comes.
After the yesterday before 9 o'clock, what news you get?
That time ago.
Huh?
Not yesterday, I can tell.
No news at all. These people doesn't know any news. Are how many news are coming? Yesterday 17 people were kidnapped. Huh? Oh, mother tongue. Yesterday India won the World Cup semi. Huh?
That also, that.
That's also one player. Who is the player of the match?
My sister.
My sister. Huh?
My sister told me, she did not tell me the player of the. मेरी बहन ने बताया
Jemima Fernandez Rodriguez. Where the match goes on? No. DY Patil Stadium. Tomorrow, when is the final? See, lot of messages are coming. Recently, one cyclone came to India.
Yes, I know.
What is the cyclone's name?
It is, I don't know, but.
It is, I don't know. Huh.
Because of that, only release.
What is the name of the cyclone? No, we are not bothered, sir. We are bothered about rain.
He said that
Yes.
a few days back, it is likely to.
Your name is Monta.
Yes, it is likely to not transform into a low pressure region. But my father says that.
In the American side, there is in South America, there is one huge cyclone here. The speed is around 300 kilometers.
It's
200 kilometers.
it is the biggest cyclone in 20 years in America.
How many times my mobile rings? Palm alert. Please, what all messages are there? Not data. You people are doesn't know any data. Yeah. Chalo. So prime data you followed now. Okay, and from there classify which is primary data, which is secondary data. Okay, now, so if there is some, go to house and find out number of children up to the age of 5 years who have taken polio, not taken polio drops. Have you heard about this all collection of data? Polio eradication. The people used to come now, the polio drops are there. These are data. Investigator collects the information from the records of the mother dairy about the milk supply of different colonies. Mother dairies have the milk, how much in different colonies. Data collected in a population census by office of the Ministry of Home Affairs. Okay. After the data, next is called presentation of data. So once it is collected, this data has to be presented. Various forms the data can be presented. First one it is called, which is called raw data. Do you know what I mean by raw data? The data in the original form are collected, original form are called raw data or ungrouped data. Suppose if I collect the marks and I write all the marks over here. Just originally, okay, 10 marks, 12 marks, whatever marks you write, comma. Okay, that is called the raw data. Okay. Then there are different ways that is coming. Next, do you know what you mean by range? Next word is here. Range means difference between largest and the least. Okay, range. Suppose if I ask the mark, one said 12, one said 8, one said 7, one said 12, 13. What is the range? Bigger minus smaller, 13 minus 7, 6. Are you followed? Okay, that is the range of the data. They will give the question, you should know how to do it. Okay, next. Graphical represent that one, table and all, it's not much there, but still. Graphical representation of the data. First one is what? Because what is the first one? Bar graph. It is a pictorial representation of the data. This again another representation of the data. Usually bars of uniform width are drawn, equal spacing between them on one axis, x-axis, depicting the variable. The values of the variable shown on the other axis, y-axis. The height of the bar depends upon the value of the variable. Okay, the bar graph followed. You can see in the next page, have you seen the bar graph is drawn over there? A family whose monthly income is equal to how much? 20,000 had planned the following expenditure. Expenditure in thousand, grocery, they are eating a lot. 4,000, rent, 5,000, education for children, 5,000, medicine, 2,000, then fuel, 2,000, entertainment, 1,000, miscellaneous, 1,000. See, there we draw the bar graph. Have you seen the bar graph? How it is made and all, equal spacing and all. Okay, are you followed? Do you have a problem? Bar graph draw. Once if we have drawn the bar graph, then we will go to the next one. It is called the histogram. Then there are certain parts are there. Okay, come to the exercise. 12.2. One extension. Exercise 12.2 has seen. We have two lectures. Okay, 12.2. What is the first question? A survey, read now.
Survey conducted by an organization for the cause of illness and death among the women between the ages 15 to 44 in years worldwide are the following figures in percentage. Reproductive health conditions 31.
Female fertility rate because of reproductive health conditions, 31.8% people are these are girls are died. Next is neuropsychiatrist conditions, 25.4. They are looking what is neuropsychiatric problem. Then next is
Injuries.
Injury, due to injury, how many people died? 12.4. Fourth one. Cardiovascular conditions, 4.3. Respiratory conditions, 4.1. Other causes, 22. Okay, you have to represent this into the graphically. Can you represent this graphically? Bhargav, represent now. What is this? Why are you looking at each other? What is the doubt? Huh? What is it? Let speak loudly.
See, it's the
On the y-axis, we have to mark. Our maximum is how much here? 31.8. The maximum height is 31.8. We can take it as 2-4. 5 then you take, or 2-4 you will take, or 4-6 you have to be, but you have to make it properly, okay? So, you will make along this one, along this is if you are taking us 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35. First one is 31.8. You should know, I wanted to see how many are 31.8. This one centimeter, you're eating them. So tell now, you know how to make. Huh? So do you know? Tell now, then do it. So first the bar will be this way. Space will be there. 31. Second bar will be. How much is the second one? 25.4. Little above. Spaces between them should be equally spaced. You can take half centimeter between them, 1 centimeter width you can give. Third one. How much is it? 12.4. So it is. Then fourth one, 4.3. After that, 4.1. Little small. The last one. How much? 22. Yes, I'm waiting for everyone. Draw. Height should be proper, okay? Space should be there and height should be proper. Okay. What are these boys are talking?
Then you also have to write percentage. You also have to write your percentage.
No, so right there. Was completed. Done or not? No response. If completed, I wanted to see, okay. Nandana done. Huh? Aina done. All are almost. Anand, Akash.
Then, let's go. Let's go.
Done. We one girl only done. These boys are done.
Yes.
But you people not telling, not telling me only, na.
You told.
What we thought. I have done, doing. So show me.
No, sir, I said done.
So. You are the job. 5 4. This is 4.1 now. This is only 3 only. This middle is 2.5 now. So look here. So what is the first one? 30 point? 30 to 35. Yeah. You took 5 centimeter, 5 you take now 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter equal to 5 means 1 centimeter has how many divisions?
10.
10 divisions now. In if 1 millimeter is how much then?
1 millimeter. 0.
1 centimeter is equal to 5. So 1 millimeter is equal to how much?
0.5.
0.5. 2 millimeter is 1. 3 millimeter is 1.5. 4 millimeter is equal to 2. Are you followed? Like that you have to check. Did you check and see? And then mark. Okay. That will change this to me here. Forces. Okay. Fatality rate. 31.8 is little more above. I will go. What is the second one? 25.4 is big. 25.4 is the first millimeter we should come. Understood or not? These two are looking equal. Okay. Yes, next step. So. He's telling no. 31.8 is little more bigger has to be made. 25.4 little about next third one is how much?
Is 12.4.
12.4 is coming as little more above. It is at the middle line. Understood or not?
Yes.
Little differences are there. You have a problem, you could have taken 246 also, you could have taken. You could have easily done. You're also almost the same thing only. Till
Yes.
12.4 is little smaller because it have to be made little more bigger. Okay. So now there are some after that some sub questions are there na? Yes or no? What are the questions are given there?
Health and then organ. Reproductive.
Reproductive health conditions is the one. Okay, so did you write? First answer is okay. Now, next. Second, third part.
Try to find out with the help of your teacher and two factors that play major role. The cost one in cost above being the major point.
What is the reason for major concern of reproductive health is the major fatality rate? Reason? Any reason? What do you think? Why it is a major concern? Why it is large problem in fatality rate? Huh? People are not taken seriously. Hygiene, health, awareness, no awareness. Okay, these are a lot of things are there. Hygiene part, health part, awareness, these are things not taken seriously, proper care is not taken. Okay, these all things are. Okay, done. Question 2. The following data shows the number of girls nearest to 10, okay, per thousand boys of different sections in Indian society given below. What is, do you know what the meaning of this data says?
Once there are.
That means in scheduled caste, if there are 1,000 boys are there, how many girls are there? 940. In scheduled tribe also same everywhere backward. So the which population is more, which population is less? Scheduled caste. Are boys or girls? In boys or girls, whose population is more? Boys. When every 1,000 is much only, girls are less. Here we are equal. Okay, but overall, it is what are they done? Yeah, so you have to make represent the bar graph. Be careful. So here it is taking us. How do you make this bar graph? Some teachers will ask you to mark only from 900 to 940 only. 900 to 1000 only. There is no king. You know what I mean by king and all? What about king? Sometimes some data is missing. That is putting a this one. Not seen that king part.
We have heard and that's also, but I don't understand.
This making is called kings. You know, suppose this is always 0, this is 100, this is 110. See what is the meaning? 0 to 100 is missing. That's why king. King is mainly made on x-axis, y-axis cannot be made. Okay. Here in this one it is everything height is coming because 100, 200. Little difference only now. Yes or no? You cannot take, 10, 20, 30, it will not reach that 20, 30 till this one. Had it been 10, 20, 30, it was. So, there are some people who will start with 900. If your teacher allows, because the textbook question, if the teacher allows, okay, 900, 910, do it. Okay. Otherwise, you start with 50. 50, 100, 150, but little height differences only. 300, 350 till. Okay, do it. Draw the bar graph. 50s you can take now. Okay, till 1000, so 20 centimeter needed. Bigger line 50 meter. 100 means it will be smaller and the heights will be very, almost everything will be equal height. That's why I thought let's make it 50. 50 also not much height differences. The little difference only, no? It's girl from the Lucy girl. What is the only access? All are actually. I think one wants a limit, no? And just just to go for. Because you know this one, the different thing, have you seen? The data is such a given, okay, NCRT sometimes they give this they don't give. Had it been little differences were there, then it was okay, 100 you could have taken 100, 200. But 100 means, you know, millimeter difference only is their heights. That's why I thought little more. Oh, this girl is tired or what? Are you okay? Relax now. I am to do it. Today you went to school? Holiday going on, huh? And why are you relaxing now? Then how come you become unwell? When do you eat ice cream? Then yesterday you went to rain. Then
She gets tough if she keeps on eating chocolate. She keeps on eating sweets, she gets tough. So
she was eating chocolates. Huh? You are taking, choring the chocolate and eating without anyone's knowledge. Then you knew. Huh? What chocolate you eat? Some Dubai chocolate which you didn't like also.
I don't know the name,
But you like. Huh?
Dubai chocolate.
So if you don't eat now, if you are getting chocolate doesn't suit you. You can eat chocolate. Actually, you are so you eat everything. Then what suits her? Dal chawal. Non-chocolate, non-sweet things she likes. Is it so? Once a day, still this much problem. Once, how many pieces you do? Unlimited.
Oh,
Then,
1 day is equal to 10. Shut up. Oh, right.
Akash,
Yes.
how are you doing? Very good, very good. Okay, carry on. You people school started, no?
Yes.
Now these people got long holidays. November 6th, when? November
6.
6th November. Then you are, then after that your annual day starts. That practice. You are in annual day. What?
Yeah, put it down.
Keep on and she's all for us. You also keep on and so till Jan 5th, there is no activities in the school, only dance only. No studies. Hmm. Your school's annual days are over? Or no annual day?
No, it will be on December sometime.
Actually December. And you Anand? Hmm. It's not fitting only.
Yeah.
The data is not that good, okay. Should have been. Everything is in 940, 950. It's around almost same. Quick. Also done. Okay. Only heights are little only. In this one you can write also. ST, inside the crop also if you want we can write. So there is no place now. You also frame similar now. Okay. X-axis section and all you have to write X-axis, Y-axis, what is it? 1 centimeter scale, 1 centimeter equal Y-axis 50 turns. You're done? Done. Got it now? Okay. What conclusions are there?
Sir, above the graph, you have to write x-axis is equal to.
Scale you have to write, x-axis nothing is there, on y-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to how much? 50. Okay, on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 50. Okay. Done? All of you done? So, there is second part is there in the classroom, discuss the conclusions. What is the conclusion arrived? There are not very less girls, 1,000. Compared to number of boys, girls population is less. That is the conclusion. Okay. Next question. Third one. Given below the seats won by political parties in the polling outcome of the state election. Draw the graph. This is easy to draw now because this is spread properly. You can do 10, 20 till which one? Okay.
5, 5, 5.
Either 5, 5 you can take 10, 10, 5, 5 take. 5, 5 means.
But 5, 5.
No, so 10, 10 you take. Make this one. Graph, bar graph. Third one. This is only little reasonable one. Other ones will not. 10, 10 you can take. What is this? What is it?
The number of girls.
Less than.
Number.
Okay. The population of girls is less than the population of boys in every category. Population of do it this one. Third one complete. NCRT's textbook is there. R.D. Sharma is there. Who was R.D. Sharma at home? Me next one bring it, okay? One table we have to do it from. Done. Hmm. Made it.
Yes.
Completed. Done. All done. So your bar graph is done. Okay. Next we are going to discuss about the histogram. Histogram and frequency polygon. Finish. Histogram and frequency polygon are drawn for class intervals. Follow what is meant by class intervals? The data, it is presentation of the data in the form of class interval this way. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. Generally, it is equally spaced. There are other one also there, 50, 50 to 60, okay, 60 to 70. This data is given. Between 0 and 10, how many people are there? 5. Between 10 and 20, 8, like that it is there. Okay. So when we tell about this one, this class interval, what is this class interval? From 20 till 30. What is 20? It is called the lower limit. What is called? Lower limit. What is 30? Upper limit. Lower limit, upper limit. What is 11? Frequency. Lower limit, upper limit, frequency. 20 is included, 30 is not included. 30 will be included the next class interval. 30 to 40, 20 to 30, less than 30, whatever is coming. 30 is coming here, this one. Okay. Are you followed? Lower limit, upper limit. They are also known as class limits. Size of the class. You know what I mean by size of the class? upper limit minus lower limit. 30 minus 20. How much? 10. Are you followed? Class size or class width or class height. Different three names are there. What are three different names? Size, width, or height. Okay. Then another word is called class mark. Class mark is equal to lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. What is class mark said? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Remember, 20 to 30. What is the class mark? 20 plus 30. What is 20 plus 30? 50 by 2, 25. What is the class mark of this class interval? 35. Have you followed? So you should know the class mark, frequency. Now, first of all, look here, this is for continuous. So how to make the histogram is directly. Over here, we will along the x-axis, we will make the class interval. 0, 10, 20 equal space, 30, 40, 50, till 60 and 7. Okay. On the y-axis, we will make frequency. Frequency, see which is the highest frequency here? 14. Okay. If you have space 1, 2, 3, 14, you can do it. Generally, you can put 1, 2, 3. I am taking as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. Then 0 to 5 is how much? 0 to 10 is 5. 10 to 20 is how much? 8. Are you following a little bit? Yes or no? 20 to 30 is how much? 11. Properly draw it. Okay. Then 30 to 40 is how much? 14. Then 40 to 50 is how much? 10. 50 to 60 is how much? 8. And 60 to 70 is how much? Is coming as how much? This is called the, what is it drawn? Histogram. Okay. The class and this one. Widths are sizes. This one. These are different. It is 0 to 10. It is coming as, here scale is 10 centimeter one. Here it is 2 centimeters equal. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. If you want to take 2 centimeter also. And then this looking smiling. What is it here? It is perfect. How perfect is it? Okay, whatever. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the top. Have followed what is histogram? All of you. Sure. Next is called, along with the histogram, another word is called frequency polygon. How to get the frequency polygon? Frequency polygon you can draw with the help of histogram, without histogram. How to draw with the histogram means?
And we will just draw it.
Where? The middle points of the top. All the middle points join with the scale. Okay. Join with the scale. Okay. Then after that, keep it there now. Next is after this one, it is not over. You have to take one class interval before. Class interval before means it was 0 to 10 means it is 0 to minus 10. One class interval after. What will be the class interval after? 60 to 70 means 70 to 80. Take the middle of this one. Join. Are you following? One class interval before and class interval after. Middle of this. All joining is done with a scale. Are you followed? This is called what is drawn? Histogram and frequency polygon. Here it is a direct one. class interval is given, equal width is there, and after that then all are continuous. Okay, there are cases will come without continuous will come, without equal, not equal width, all these things we have to work by one. And next, one more thing I have to explain, how to draw the frequency polygon without the histogram. This is with the help of the histogram drawn now. Without the help of the histogram also you can draw. That also we will discuss. This is clear. So today we are done. First is bar graph, then now next is histogram and frequency polygon. We're doing this on some of the questions. After that, then we will do the different ones. Okay. Okay. Are you following? Break is needed. Not required. Both are looking each other. Go and look at each other, they are looking each other. Then look at each other. Finally, break needed or not? So ask you wish. Are tell now? If break needed, I'll give you. If not break needed, I'll send you at 6:15. Whatever you want. Decide. What do you want? Naina will tell. Decide now. Not required. So now this way 5 minutes will be over. You will discuss and
No break.
no break. Okay. So, now, next is here. Next is some of the this one. It does not start with 0. Okay. Suppose if it had it been this way. All okay. It started with where? 100. Okay. I need to show 0 here. So what you do this one means your graph will not be this way. The 0. This will be 100. Okay. Then it's 120. Now, if it is here, you will draw one line. This is 0 and put a king. This is called what? King. What is the meaning of king? Between from 0 to 100, there are data are missing. When is required king means if the graph is not started with 0, always you have to put the king. Are you followed? Then start with 100 and 110. Now, in case if you need frequency polygon also, then you have to make one class interval before this one. 90 to 100. Then only king over here, then only correspondingly word. Okay. If it is frequency polygon is not required, this is not required. Last and first is not required. Are you followed or not? Let's tell now. 2, 4, 6, etc. What is this Anand is talking? Anand by nothing. Okay, followed or not? Okay, so first is decide whether king needed or not. How to decide whether king needed or not? When it is starting from 0, there is no king needed. If not starting from 0, king is required. Is it clear this also? Okay. Next is another thing. If the class interval is given this way, this class interval, it is not continuous. Is it continuous?